This bird's genius strategy for hunting food will blow your mind. Actually, you might have seen videos on worm charming, where creating vibrations on the ground by rubbing two sticks together can draw worms to the surface because the vibrations mimic the sensation of rain. And worms love to come up when it rains so they can move around freely and mate. But guess what? Seagulls have also figured out this trick, so they rapidly stomp their feet on the ground, mimicking the vibrations of raindrops. This fools the worms into thinking it's time to get cozy in the rain, but little do they know, it's actually time to die.